Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make these railroad tracks go into a cell phone and make you feel like you're going actually into the cell phone like you see on the screen right now. I've done one of these with a photo, it's just a still. I just have a short clip here, 10 seconds. I got it off Pixabay. I really can't leave it in the description because it isn't mine to give away, but you can use them for these tutorials. And I got a background underneath the back. And we'll go to Fusion. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That is why it's up there on the screen. Select the media in, add a merge. We'll get the second media, the phone. You can get that on Pixabay as well. I had to make it transparent though. And we'll add a polygon. And go to the inspector, select invert, and it'll come back. I don't have a metal mouse wheel to zoom in and out like that, so I have to use that drop down menu. That's why I'm using it. I actually operate my controller with my mouth. Once you complete the polygon, select this modify only tool. That way you can't mistakenly make more points or screw up your polygon. If you have to move any of these, just highlight a point and use the arrows on the keyboard. Right click on the polygon, copy, click away right here, right click and paste instance. If you don't know what an instance is, it's an exact copy of whatever node you've taken it off from. The little green line indicates they're connected. And everything over in the inspector is still coupled to the original node. All the green stuff around the boxes is an indicator, but even the stuff that does not, like the invert or the solid, it is still coupled. And we're going to do one right now. We're going to right click on the invert and de-instance, then deselect invert. This one you want both selected, the invert and the solid. This one's just solid. Put a transform in. Right click on it, copy, click away, right click and paste instance. Make sure you're connected to the background, which is the yellow on both the transforms. The left one's very easily connects to the blue, the mask, and it will not work that way. So if you run across any problems, look at that. I'm going to put the playhead at frame 0. Select the transform. Keyframe the size. I'm on a 30 FPS. I'm going to advance 175 frames. You may have to adjust accordingly. Take the size all the way up. And we have to add to it. Go 6.0. And you want to take it up until you're just through the phone. I'm going to readjust my mask. I don't want to spend too much time on it for the sake of the tutorial. Okay, good enough. Select the transform one, add a blur, right click on it, copy, click away right here, right click and paste instance. We don't really need a blur with this footage, but in most cases doing this, you do, so I'm going to add it anyhow. The default blur size is 1, and that's enough for me. Set yours to your liking. Now you see why I put that back there for a background. You could put anything in there. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.